Hi, it's James here from Chapman Machinery, and today we're going to do a quick product walk around video for the FR150 field and land roller. So the FR150, as I said, field and land roller, tackling fields, parklands, whatever you need to flatten, molehills, this machine will do it. Very heavily built, as is usual with Chapman stuff, and very nicely finished. It's a 1.5 metre working width, so it's perfectly sized to tow behind ATVs, UTVs and even 4x4s if you need to. Starting from the front of the machine, comes as standard with a 50mm ball coupling such as this. We can also supply it with a pin hitch style coupling if you're going to use this behind a compact tractor, for example. Moving back from that, you've got a heavy section folded steel drawbar, keeps the machine really nice and rigid as you're dragging it around the fields over rough terrain. And this feeds back into a solid box section frame which holds the main roller itself. The roller we use on these is a 508mm drum on a 7mm wall thickness, a really heavy duty steel. And within that you've got a 40mm, so a solid 40mm shaft running right the way through the whole machine, fully welded either end. So it's a really solid drum that will last for absolutely years and years. The roller runs on sealed 40mm bearings at either end. You can also grease these as well with the fitted grease fitting. So this is a ballastable roller, so as standard, empty. I say it's very heavy duty construction, 205 kilos empty. If you do want to ballast it with water, you spin off the fill, well there's two, there's one either end, a fill and an empty point on these. Spin that off, fill it with water, tighten it back up again, and that takes the weight of the whole machine well over 500 kilos. So even better for tackling rough terrain, molehills, whatever you need to do. So just to recap, the FR150, 1.5 metre working width, 205 kilos empty and over 500 kilos laden with water, and available now from your nearest distributor.
We hope you found that video informative. Please feel free to like or share with any friends or colleagues. We regularly add new videos relating to our products, and these can consist of action, product overview and how-to videos. To receive these in the future, please subscribe to our channel. For more information on this video, either give the office a call or visit the website, links below. My name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products Limited, and our main contact number is 0333 880 6654. Thanks very much for watching.